In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the outside rear view mirror assembly on this Mercedes E350. Let's get into it. We're going to take this screw out right here, use a T20 socket. Take that cover off. We'll take this panel off, just use a trim tool, get underneath. This slides off. Be careful, some of the clips can break. Using a T25 socket, I'm going to pull this screw out here. Just use a magnet, grab that. Using a trim tool, take this trim piece off right here, just get underneath, pry it out. It slides down. Using the T25 socket, take these screws out. This cover is going to pop off. You can just grab it from the side, pull it out, then it pulls forward. Now with the trim tool, we'll just get behind the panel and just pop out the push pins. It's all popped out. Just slide the panel out. Then you want to slide it up. Pull it out. Slide the cable out. Just pull that. Then it's hooked on. And you have all the connectors over here. Disconnect the connectors for the door. I'll just pop this one out. Be careful with some of these, they're pretty delicate. Just push down, pop them out. Slide this one off. There is a little tab in there. You just slide it to the side. Just use a pocket screwdriver or a pick. You can slide that out. That comes off. This weather strip right here, we want to pull this out slightly. Just be careful. We don't have to pull it all the way out, but just to about there. You can see where this panel is just clipped in underneath where that is. Taking a straight blade screwdriver, I'm just going to pry in here. There's a clip that slides out. Just pry it up a little bit. And right here, push that in slightly. It's actually a little easier if you do it from there. Push it up. Pop that out. It's just clipped in. And then just pry this back slightly. We don't have to take it off completely. Just leave that like that. Disconnect the connectors. There's a connector here. Just push on the tab. Just try to slide that out. This one right here. And slide that out. If you need to, you can use a screwdriver. Just pop it out. Using a T25 socket, take these screws out. Before we take the last one out, I'm just going to support the mirror on the outside. Just grab the mirror and slide it right out. And there it is. Take the mirror assembly. We're going to put the glass in once it's mounted to the vehicle. Take the wires, slide those through. sure this lines up. Take the screws, get those started. Once you get one started good, you can let go of the mirror. Oops. And snug those down. And we can plug these connectors in. Lock those down. That's good. On the back of the glass, we have these two brackets. I'm going to put those in place. One's going to go right there, lock it down. The other one's going to go right there. Just slides in place. That's good. Now we'll connect the connector to the two tabs. Just like that. And line this up. There is a protective coating on the mirror. Just leave that on until it's completely pushed in. Taking a rag and just in the center of the mirror, just push. Should lock in place. You don't ever want to push on the outside edges. You just want to go to the center. You take the protective coating and slide it off. Now slide this panel back in place. Get those lined up. Clip that in. Push that in place. That's good. The weather strip, you may have to use a screwdriver to help push it in. Just slide that back in place. There you go, that looks good. Now taking the door panel, line the connectors up. Slide that one in place. And just connect the connectors where they went. Be careful with this ribbon connector. And one more. It's going to go in the middle. Those are all in place. Take the hook. Line that up. Pull that out, slide that in place just like that. I'm going to go over the lock knob. Get that lined up. There we go. And make sure this doesn't get left behind. Get the top part in first. That's good there. And when it's lined up, just tap it in place. That's good. And take this piece. It's gonna line up on the side first. Clip it in. Take these two screws, get these started. snug these down. Take the cover, this is going to slide up first, and then push in, lock it in place, and put this screw in. Snug that down. Take the cover, line this up, and lock it in place. Put this panel in place. Snug that screw down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.